China stocks dip as stimulus falls short. Chinese stocks in Hong Kong dipped as Beijing's economic policy update fell short of market expectations for large-scale stimulus to boost domestic demand. The Hang Seng China Enterprises Index dropped as much as 2.9%, led by declines in property and consumer shares, while the CSI 300 index managed a slight recovery to close 0.7% higher. Beijing's relief measures for local government debt didn't include major stimulus, disappointing those hoping for a stronger push against China's deflationary pressures. Adding to the market unease, President-elect Trump's proposed tariffs on Chinese goods could complicate economic recovery efforts. Some analysts noted that China may preserve policy options in anticipation of trade tensions with the incoming U.S. administration. Meanwhile, Finance Minister Lan Foan hinted at more forceful fiscal policies next year, with further details likely at the December economic conference. Analysts predict Dogecoin rally as market interest surges. Dogecoin is primed for a potential rally following a 93% increase over the past week. Currently trading at 0.2940 for dollar, Doge surged 30% in the last 24 hours, with trading volumes jumping by 233%, signaling strong market interest. Analysts believe Dogecoin's position above the 200-a-day exponential moving average supports its bullish trend. A close above $0.226 could trigger an additional 50% surge, potentially reaching 0.30 for dollar. Increased whale activity by 5.5% and a 19% rise in open interest suggest growing confidence from larger investors, adding weight to predictions of further gains. With rising institutional involvement and favorable technical indicators, Doge may be on the verge of another major breakout as analysts continue to observe its market momentum. Trade and climate finance tensions cloud COP29 in Baku. The COP29 Climate Summit in Baku opened with countries grappling over finance and trade while seeking up to $1 trillion annually for climate efforts in developing nations. Despite mounting climate extremes, debates intensified with the recent U.S. election of Donald Trump, a vocal climate skeptic. Concerns over his stance have sparked fears of U.S. disengagement, which could hinder global climate goals. Adding to the complexity, China requested discussions on trade measures, including the EU's upcoming carbon border tariffs. The request, made on behalf of the basic countries Brazil, India, South Africa, and China, underscores rising trade tensions that may affect climate cooperation. The summit host Azerbaijan urged swift action, advocating a climate finance action fund. However, as the world's climate goals hang in the balance, the summit faces intense pressure to produce meaningful commitments amidst growing global uncertainties.